everyone, welcome back to my channel Modern Rishika. So in today's video we will learn one science topic which is electricity and circuits. So in electricity we will first learn the basic unit of electricity which is cell. Like in our body, cell is the basic unit to form our whole body. Like electricity, cell is the basic unit to form electricity and circuits. So now what is cell? Cell is an electric device. Now in this electric cell there are two terminals. One is positive terminal which sign is plus and one is negative terminal which sign is minus, the sign of subtraction. And if you have any cell, you can see there is one plus point located and one minus point located in the cell. Cell is consisting of some chemicals which make it to glow. Glow the electricity means when the electricity will glow if it will consist of chemicals, and chemical is used by the cell. Now in this positive terminal, above the positive terminal there is one metal cap, and this whole cell is made up of metal. It can be any metal, not any one particular metal. And now, what is battery? See, battery. Battery. Now, what is battery? Battery is same, simple, not any new thing. When two or more cells consist in one device is known as battery. Battery consists of two or more cells which is in the device which is known as battery. Now this is battery. Now let's move to our second main topic which is our electricity. Sorry, bulb. Now electricity we have understood bulb. Now what is bulb? Bulb is a device when the light electricity pass through both of the terminals of the device is known as bulb. Now how bulb looks like and it consists of which things I will show you. See the bulb diagram. This is the outer covering of the bulb. This is the metal case. This is the outer covering. Outer covering. This is outer covering. And this one is the metal case. Metal case which is made up of metal. And in bulb where the positive and negative terminal are located, I will show you the positive terminal is located here at the downside, and the tip is present, the metal tip is present here, and the negative terminal is here. Now how the metal covering, like how the bulb glow when positive terminal gets reacted with the negative terminal, passes the chemical to the negative terminal, and the electricity passes through the both of the terminal. The electricity glows. But device, not anything. The switch is a simple electric device which is used to open or close the circuit is known as switch. So now when switch is the on position and switch is on position. Switch is an on position, so the sign will be like this. One wire, then dot, then another wire, dot, and then another wire. This is like this. And now when the switch is in off position, off, it will be like wire, dot, then the wire will go up and there's one dot leaving gap and like this. This is how the diagram looks of the off switch. And cell looks like one wire like this and this, and battery is one like this. It is one cell, it is consisting. When we draw this diagram two times, it is converted into battery. Then last bulb. Bulb diagram consists like this. This is the bulb diagram. These are the symbols of all. Now I will explain you circuit, which is important, very important of this part of this chapter. Circuits. Circuits. Now what is circuits? I have shown you cell, switch, bulb and battery and cell. These all things. When these all things combined into a proper setup and currents flows to that path. When these all bring to in one position and when current flows, it is known as circuit. Like I will show you one circuit. Here we have our bulb. This is our bulb. And now this is one wire. And there is cell. And now another wire. Another wire it is. And which connected to it. So in this it will glow. Yes, it will glow because the current is flowing to it. Now I will show you the another one. In this we have one bulb. Same, and the wire are consisting from the one pole and there is battery. So it will glow? No, because it is going to only one of its terminal, only the negative terminal. The wire should be attached from the both of the terminal. Then it will glow. Now I have kept a switch here, and the switch is like the switch is a metal key, and then cell, and then another wire. It will glow. Yes, it will glow because the switch What is insulator? Insulator. Insulators are which don't allow current, light, or electricity to flow through them. Wood, plastic, wood, plastic, glass. These all things don't allow electricity or light to flow through them. That's why it is known as insulator. In